back. Today I'm going to be showing all the doll dresses I'm selling on Etsy. And now let's get started. The first dress I'm selling on Etsy is this pink one. It has a flower right here and it has a fluffy design on the bottom. And here's the back. The next dress is this white and black dress. It has this beautiful fluffy design on the bottom, and in the back it has this beautiful pearl button. The next dress is this white and pink dress. It has this fluffy design on the bottom, and it has this beautiful pearl button in the back. This dress also comes with a scrunchie for your doll. The next dress we're selling is this purple dress. It has a white heart button on the top and it has a shell design on the bottom. And here is the back. We also sell an orange dress. It has yellow waves on the bottom and it has a yellow flower on the top. And here's the back. It has a button. We also sell a fall themed dress. It has an orange bottom and it has a mix of colors on the top like blue, orange, and even green. And the button opens in the back. The next dress is a really long pink dress. It has a flower on the top with a bead and has beautiful stitches all the way to the bottom. And there also is a button in the back. We also sell a shirt and a skirt. The shirt is a blue color and it has pink beads on the top. And it has beautiful stitches all the way to the bottom. The skirt is a really basic white skirt. If you'd like to see how to crochet the skirt yourself, I have a link down in the description. If you'd like to buy the clothes for your dolls, I'll have the link down below, and I'll see you next time. Bye!